And the race is on. Siklag, Jet Prop, Diamond Magic, Una Mujer. And on the outside, My Lucky One, Lucky Charm alongside. Diamond Magic, Jet Prop, Una Mujer. Siklag, My Lucky One is racing from the outside, and Lucky Charm inside the last 600. Diamond Magic by ahead, followed by Jet Prop. Una Mujer is racing third by Lincoln Ave, My Lucky One. Inside the last 500, Diamond Magic by ahead, Jet Prop. Una Mujer is on the outside, and My Lucky One. As they race the final corner, Diamond Magic, the favorite, this time by a length and a half. Una Mujer and My Lucky One on the further outside, Jet Prop. And during the last 100 meters more to run, Diamond Magic, Una Mujer, My Lucky One on the further outside. Una Mujer, My Lucky One, Diamond Magic, and finally, Una Mujer. My Lucky One, Diamond Magic, Jet Prop, Siklag, Lucky Charm.
And